now I'm going to show you how you create an about page. An about page is so important. It's like a home page for a website. When people come to your community, when you share your link, that's the first page they see. But now, you see, now since we have created a trial, a community, we have access to the schoolers. This schooler is so special. If you have access to this, it's fun. So now you can see the map I showed you earlier, the games, all this. You have access to this once you start the trial. But of course, if you don't pay for it, the community, you lose access. So now, always, like I said, when you come to Skool, when you're looking for your community, start with your profile. So we're about to get to my community, my new community, and create the about page. So you start from your photo. If you're on your phone, start with, tap on the, look, when you're on Skool, at the bottom right, you see your photo. You tap on the three dots. Then you get to profile, okay? Profile. And when you go to profile, it will show you all the communities you belong to, but your communities will be on top. Like right now, I own 3 communities, and the one we just created is hiding right here. See? Share your story. That's a new one. And you tap on view. View. So remember I've had assignments here? The first assignment, they give you invite 3 people, add a group description, set a cover image, and write your first post. So I'm going to set a cover image first. A cover image could be anything. You could put your photo, anything before you're ready, to create the real art. Excuse me, please, for your community. You can put just a placeholder, something to hold it. So right now, I'm going to find something in this computer. Remember, this is the About page. Your community has a community tab, classroom, calendar, members, map, leaderboards, and About. So the About page is like a home page. That's the one we are working on. And I'm going to add, to do this, add an image and a description. Okay, so About. Now, you could add a video. You see that some people have a video, like I have a video on this, on my, this is the About page example. Let me show you what it looks like. When you set it up, when it's done, it could look like this. But it could also not have a video. So the one we're going to do right now will not have a video. Let me just do an image. So I'm going to tap right here and find an image. An image, because this community is about stories, I just have an image called Global Story. Let me see if I can find it. Just a second. Sorry about that. My computer went somewhere weird. I think that's actually something I don't even use. Global Stories. Global Stories. I think is the one I want. Yeah, this one. So Global Stories. See how you put an image and it starts looking like a community? So Global Stories. And this is another image that you could put also. It could be the same image. Actually, let's see. I could make it the same. I could make it the same. There are 2 images. There is the one the people see. This one I'm doing right now is the one people see like somewhere else. Then they click and come on the home page. So let's do the same, but there could be different. So Global Stories again, but sometimes it's different. It doesn't have to be the same. So save. See, now I have Global Stories. Do they allow me to change it? Let me see. See, they don't allow, that's why when you have a $9 community, they don't allow you to change, to make it custom, this one. Whatever they give you, you're stuck with that one. I mean, the name of your URL. See, right now, this is the link you would share. If you want to share, I'll show you. So let's go back over here. See up here, where it says skool.com, share your story. This is my link now. If I had to share with anyone, I would just tap that and share. But you see that when you're on your phone, you tap the three dots, it'll say invite. It uses invite. So you invite someone by just sharing it gives you a link to share. Okay. So let's build this. Already put a nice image right there. So later I could make it a video. So it says add description. Now for add description, I'm going to use my friend ChatGPT. I don't know if you know how to use ChatGPT, but even if you don't, I'm going to show you how you could. We're going to do it together, okay? So I already have here ChatGPT. It's chatgpt.com up here. If you are new to ChatGPT, it's better you create an account. You just put your email name and email address so that it saves what you do. It remembers you. If you just go and use it, you forget what you did before. But right now, if I'm saying, okay, do you remember what we did? This ChatGPT remember everything I've done right here. So, but it's up to you. If you don't want it to remember, just use it as a guest. So right now we are here to ask ChatGPT to help us create an about page for our community, new community. The purpose of the about page, it looks like this, is for people to understand a little bit of what's inside. What's inside? So what do you gain when you come inside? Like here I say, help you with how to make your first $1,000 in this community. I have free Zooms. I have all these things that come so that people get excited. They want to join you. In the video, I explain everything that's inside, but we're going to use text only. Okay, so let's go back to ChatGPT. Now I'm going to say, hello, my friend. That's how I always do. Hello, my friend. Now you could test to see if ChatGPT still remembers you. Do you remember my name? Do you remember my name? If you're logged in, it will remember your name. Let me see. Yes, okay. Okay, now I need your help. I've created a $9. We have to explain what you're doing. A $9 school community. Just help me train train my friends new to school. I would like, okay, I gave it the name. I gave it the name, share your story. So you do the same, something similar like that. So they get to know you. Share your story. Please help create an about page for me for this comment. An about page. Remember, not more than 1,000 characters. The purpose, this community is for everyone. This community is for everyone who wants to share their story. It costs only $2 to join, but will soon change the price to $5 per month. Please mention this. This for urgency. Okay, let's see what we got. That's so short though. Okay, welcome to Shared Story. This is a warm and supportive space for people from all walks of life to share their personal stories, lessons, and breakthroughs. Whether you're just starting out or you've already overcome something powerful, your voice matters here. Inside, I'll guide you step by step to use Skool so you can build your confidence, community, or even on your own business. No, 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 no. Remove this one, this part. I didn't like that one. People are just sharing stories. Please remove this part. Okay. Only to join now, but that's the one increase. So look for what's today. Small talk, speak your truth, inspire others. I think I could mention that if your story is liked by other members, I'll consider sitting down with you, to share it on camera if you choose to, and I'll have it inside for others to watch. Okay. Would you like to write a welcome post? Okay. So see, it's offering to prepare a welcome post. I think I'm gonna say yes because it's gonna be in the next video though, not in this one. I'll come back here to, so ChatGPT can help you create a welcome post. But for me, it's going to be a different video, not this one. This one was just about pay. Yes, please. But I'm not using it now. Let's go back here. I just copied what they gave us and I'm pasting it right here. See? I just put it here, but I need to ask ChatGPT to help me again. No. They didn't put any emojis or anything. No. Please add some color, some images, some GIFs, I would say, GIFs, or images, emojis. Is that how we write it? I didn't like the way it turned out, so I need to be a little bit more careful. Yeah, see? Made it better. Yeah, that's better. See, you can talk to ChatGPT. They can change things for you. See, that was better. Okay. Okay, now let's go back here. I copied what they gave me and I'm just pasting here. See? Now I have about page. See? But you can write whatever you choose. Like if you look at my other one, this one, see, I took time to put in everything I was thinking. Yeah. So yeah, that's about page. Remember the way, let me use this chance to remind you. That's how you go back to your community. Because like, see how I just did that? I lost the other one. So profile, go to your communities and view it like this. Okay. Welcome. This one, I could make it a little bit, but then you just tap to edit. Or you could make it not too long, not too long, too wide. So I'm going to make it, I don't know if that's better, but it's up to you what you want it to look like. They said writing paragraphs are too long is not good. Or sentences that are too long. That's why I'm doing this. Let's grow together. Sherifa. Sorry, this is slow. Sherifa. Okay, you save. Always remember to save. And now there we have our about page.